you're a peer, if you're a director of analytics or a manager of a BI team, or trying to choose the next infrastructure for your company or your team or whatever, I would highly recommend Sigma. The way I would describe it is the ease of Excel as far as working with data, but the power of a Snowflake data warehouse.
I think if they have an existing business intelligence tool that they're using, that they're not getting out of it what they could. If your goals are to replace what you're doing now with something significantly better and more reusable and extensible and faster.
There's this mass amount of complexity that's just completely masked by the simplicity of Sigma's interface.
Sigma's more than just a tool that you would use to get your data. It's a collaborative platform that many users in the community can have to get more insights from the data.
You'll get a responsive team, you'll get a really sort of engaged customer support, you'll get a fantastic tool that's evolving and improving all the time, and that they'll actually listen to what your needs are and act accordingly.
I would say you should speak Sigma if anyone has ever told you that the question you want to answer is too hard because it's too hard to connect two different data sources. Or you should use Sigma as anyone has ever told you that the question you're asking is too complex. Because the more complex your question is, probably the more interesting your answer could be. And it's not that the questions are too complex, it's that I think a lot of other BI solutions are just too rigid. So I think you should use Sigma because it gives you freedom and flexibility and, again, I would say fun in just jumping in and exploring your data and seeing what kind of insights are there.